On this week's Pre-Owned Showcase, we take a look at this 2023 Keystone RV Volante 375 MD, a luxurious and spacious fifth-wheel trailer perfect for family adventures. As you step inside, you're greeted by a bright and efficient hallway that guides you to the heart of the RV. The rear kitchen and living area are brilliantly lit and designed for maximum efficiency. There's a cozy fireplace, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for movie nights or rainy days. The open floor plan creates an inviting space for all your guests to relax and unwind. Whether you're sitting at the table or relaxing in the recliners, everyone can enjoy the views from the large panoramic windows. The island also includes a bar-style cutout, perfect for extra seating when entertaining guests. Next to the island, you'll find the dining area, which includes a 4-person table and chairs. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen, the heart of this home on wheels. The bright and efficient kitchen makes meal prep and cooking easy and is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a microwave with a vent hood below, 3-burner range, and a large 12-volt refrigerator. The deep storage pantry next to the fridge provides ample space for all your groceries and supplies. The kitchen also features a stainless double basin sink with a high-rise faucet, making cleanup a breeze. Now we'll move to the private mid-bunk room. There, you'll find a large bunk above a convertible jackknife sofa on the slide-out, perfect for kids or guests. This room also includes a wall-mounted large TV, storage cabinets, and a mini dresser below. With so many storage options, there's a place for everything. Now we'll enter the hallway and step up into the front bathroom and private master bedroom. At the end of the hall, the dual-entry bathroom on the left is designed for maximum convenience, with a mirrored vanity with a countertop sink right next to the bedroom entrance. Stepping from the hallway into the master bedroom, you enter a serene and restful retreat, featuring a large mirrored wardrobe on the front wall, comfortable king-size bed on a slide-out, and extra storage shelving next to a mini dresser at the foot of the bed. Peeking inside the large front wardrobe, you'll also find convenient washer-dryer hookups if needed, adding to the overall functionality of this travel trailer. There's a sliding barn-style door that provides quick access to the bathroom from the master bedroom, and the step-in corner radius shower with skylight adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. From the spacious living areas and state-of-the-art kitchen to the cozy private rooms, the 2023 Keystone RV Volante offers a perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and functionality. It's designed to make your adventures unforgettable. Whether you're exploring new destinations or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Volante 375 MD is your perfect travel companion. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot Supercenter.